my birthday. Join me whilst I get ready and go out to celebrate. Man, you're making me laugh. Okay, my lovely, let's go for it. There's a bit of sauce there as well. That looks like fall off the bone. Enjoy, ladies. Thank you. Oh my. Thank you. That's amazing. Thank you. Wow, thank you very much. Oh, lovely. Okay, wow. Thank you, Wilden. I know. Look at the This salad is so fresh and healthy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. They're spoiling us. This is just awesome, isn't it? Awesome.
Amazing. Wow.
You know, I'm struggling. I'm absolutely struggling. How are we going to manage the cheesecake after this? Wow.
This is serious. I want to shake his hand.
This is fantastic. I mean, wow.
I want to be the owner. I want to be the farmer. I want to be the owner. I want to...
Yep, the behind the scenes. Because the quality of the cut, everything. Oh my goodness. Wow.
I don't know how to connect I want to shake all of your hands because you lot have done such a great job. Amazing job. The food was absolutely fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely. I don't even know, but I wish I could do a selfie with all of you just to like say thank you. Blacklock forever. Blacklock forever. Thank you so much. Amazing. I can't wait to come back. I'm excited. You lot, how long have you been doing it for?
6 years.
You've done amazing job. I came 2 years ago. I had the best birthday in my life. It's my friend's birthday today, and she's exquisite, top quality, better than Harrods, better than Bricks, better than everything. Absolutely amazing. The food, the quality, top standard.
Saeed, he's the magic man.
Saeed! I love the antlers. Thank you for everyone and everyone that's served me. I wish you all the best. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you, Blacklock. I am stuffed. My goodness, service 10/10, outstanding. Coming again for sure. Got our takeaways, guys. We are fully loaded. Okay. Yeah, it's been epic. Seriously, thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time.
I don't even know how to stop it. Hi everyone. Oh my goodness. The lights over there looks fabulous. Keisha, you got to give me your information regarding your phone so I can get you the face for your phone.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, regarding your sparkly face.
Regarding the...
Sparkly face for your phone. You got to give me the information so I can so I get you the sparkly face.
The sparkly?
Yeah, for your phone.
Oh, yes, I will. I will do that. Right, let me see.
Ooh.
We're at the crossroads. We're by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 different. So, one of them leads you down to Leicester Square Chinatown. The other one goes over to Covent Garden. Another way goes down. That way goes down to. I'm not sure.
Holborn.
Holborn. Oh yeah, Holborn and Aldwych and that side. And which way leads you to?
That leaves you to, I think it's back to Piccadilly, to be honest.
Yeah, because as you can see, it's Theatreland, so we're in the heart of the city. All right, which way are we going again?
Straight ahead. And it's literally left or right and that's the train station.
It's on the left, straight away. It's oh dear. Look, La Club.
The club.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
look.
sugar. Oh no. Bless your heart. It's good that your car's not so on the ground. Oh no.
Is it caught at the back?
Let's see. No, because your boots weren't able to handle it, but your jacket wasn't so low down.
This is why I need to invest in some heels.
But even heels was another. When you say cab with heels, is no problem. When you got no cab, it's another problem.
Oh, here we are. Here we are. It's on the right.
Woo! Famous Leicester Square.
That's it, right? Let's walk to what?
See, it's really quick, and then I've got to go straight down that road down Tracadero, and that's my bus 94 home straight to my house.
Alright, let me just walk you down a little bit further.
Bless your heart. It's quicker. You just don't know what time the bus and train, but the train is so quick from that section.
We're almost at the corner of Chinatown.
I know. Chinatown. Oh.
Law enforcement's out, keep the people well behaved.
They have to be. Thank God for that. Thank God for them. Oh yeah, it kicks off in there when people lose money, big time money.
The square is pretty lively.
It's always normal.
Yeah.
And because of Christmas, it's like darker than normal. It's in live.
Oh, see? I knew they were going over to the casino. What we do?
You know, we're like at the Haymarket, near the Haymarket.
Oh. Funny how we take these things for granted. We often come down here and we ain't noticing.
So you didn't get to see the one in Shepherd's Bush, the one of that lady that was in that film, that program.
Yes, the tickets were sold out.
Well, I think I'll come back again.
They had one cancellation that day, and I couldn't hang around for it because it meant waiting like 3.5 hours.
That's too long. That's too long.
That's too long for me.
Chinese one.
Oh, Chinese one. No problem. No. Her birthday girl today. Birthday girl.
Where you gonna go? You gonna go anywhere?
Oh, no.
We went out for dinner.
Yeah, we just been. Oh, no. Full house
I'm from Hounslow. Yeah.
Oh, not far. Not far. Alright, never a dull moment in the city. Here's what's happening down in Leicester Square. Outside the Hippodrome Casino. We weren't at the casino, mind you. We were at Blacklock. It just got a bit lively. Good. It's so funny when people are not even drunk, they sound drunk. Oh, they get me drunk.
Waving like.
Thinking I got the money, boy.
No, he's waving like royal. He's waving like royalty, and why not? So guys, it's been nice hanging out with you. I've arrived at my destination. We're at Battersea Power Station. See you on the next episode. Bye for now.